Backwoods here, from Backwoods Boys Small Engines. Have you ever thought about your lawn equipment not running right, not running at its full performance because of a dirty air filter, faulty carburetor, or even a bad ignition coil? Search no further for the parts. HipaStore.com's got the parts for you. They have a wide selection of parts for your 2 and 4 strip equipment. The quality is like OEM quality without the OEM price. The way I look at it, I highly recommend Hipa.com to anybody looking to fix their equipment for cheaper, and like I said, it's OEM quality without the OEM price. I'll show you guys what I got, what Hipa sent me to fix my lawnmower. I got talking to a representative from Hipa, and they asked me if I'd like to try some of their parts out and do a video unboxing them and putting a few good words out there for them. Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing video of what Hipa sent me here. This is what they sent me to fix my lawnmower, as I was saying. So, here's the carburetor itself. Very nice. I did have it out, I ain't gonna lie. Very nice carburetor. Oh, nice and shiny, and boy is it ever heavy. It's heavy made. That's a very good quality. Like I said, OEM quality. I've used some Hipa parts in the past. They're very good parts. They even throw in an extra primer bulb with the ring to reinstall it. A fuel filter. They give you your gasket. They give you a spark plug. And a spark plug. 2 fuel line clamps. And also an air filter. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video and show you what all Hipa gives you. What other part company you know that does that? Go to HipaStore.com. If you don't, you'll regret it.